Have you ever noticed how often you create the same kind of task list again and again? Weekly planning, client onboarding, content creation, and every time you start from scratch, typing the same tasks, setting the same due dates, and rearranging everything from the very beginning. But there's a much easier way. You can turn any Microsoft to-do list into a reusable template. So the next time you start a new project, everything's ready, set up, and ready to go. I must know, since I've been helping millions of professionals streamline their work with Microsoft 365 for years on this channel. And this is one of those small tricks that saves time, keeps your setup consistent, and reduces the feeling of daily reset. Before diving in, feel free to check out the link below to my Microsoft 365 Productivity Masterclass. It's packed with countless practical tips to save time and reduce mental clutter by how you work with all your daily productivity tools like To-Do, Outlook, Teams, and more. So let's create a template together. Start in Microsoft To-Do and create a new list, something like template client onboarding or template weekly planning, whatever fits your use case. And then add all the recurring tasks you typically need for that process. Don't skip the small ones. Include every single step that happens each time you do this project. You can also add subtasks using the Steps in the Details pane, include standard notes or attachments, and even assign tasks to specific team members if that's part of your setup. The goal here is to make the list as complete as possible, your perfect reference version. Since this will serve as your master template, you can always delete or adjust tasks later, but it's worth taking a few extra minutes to capture everything from the start. And once your base template is ready, click the 3 dots in the top right corner of the list and choose Duplicate List. You can also do that by clicking on the list in the left-hand panel, right-click, and Duplicate List. And this creates an instant copy, all the same tasks, notes, and sections, so you can rename it for a specific week or project, for example, weekly planning week 42 or client onboarding project alpha. Then you can add project-specific attributes like deadlines, details, and start checking off things without ever touching your original template. To keep everything organized, you can even create a separate group in To-Do where you store all your templates. To do that, click Create New Group in the bottom right of your left-hand sidebar. Give it a clear name like Templates or Master Lists, and then simply drag your templates into that group. This way, all your reusable lists stay in one tidy place, separate from your active projects, and you can access them instantly whenever you need to duplicate one. It keeps your workspace clean and makes it much easier to maintain and update your templates over time. Of course, alternatively, you can store the template at the bottom of your project-related group, so it's always within reach and accessible by everyone in that group. Creating template lists in Microsoft To-Do might sound simple, but it's one of those small features that saves you real time week after week or project after project. Instead of starting from a blank list, you can jump straight into action with structure already in place. And if you want to learn more ways to make Microsoft To-Do your daily productivity hub, watch this video next. It's full of practical tips to help you work more efficiently every single day.